What if I told you that one of the most revolutionary business ideas of the 20th century got a C in college? It sounds crazy, but that's exactly how the story of FedEx begins. Let us rewind to 1965. A young Yale undergraduate named Fred Smith is sitting in his economics class. For his term paper, he writes about a radical new concept: a reliable overnight delivery service using a hub-and-spoke system. Imagine it. Planes from all over the country flying packages to a central sorting facility in the middle of the night, then flying them back out to their final destinations before morning. His professor wasn't impressed. He called the idea interesting, but dismissed the logistics as completely impractical, and slapped a C grade on the paper. But a grade couldn't kill a vision this powerful. After his time at Yale, Fred served as a Marine Corps officer in Vietnam. Witnessing the military's logistical systems firsthand didn't discourage him. It reinforced his belief that his idea could work. He returned to the US with a renewed sense of purpose and a deep understanding of what it takes to move things quickly and efficiently. In 1971, armed with his inheritance, he decided to bet on himself. He launched a new company called Federal Express. The dream was simple but audacious: to connect the country overnight, absolutely, positively. The early days were anything but easy. The company was burning through cash at an incredible rate. Launching an airline from scratch, buying planes, and paying for fuel was unbelievably expensive. Within just a couple of years, Federal Express was on the brink of collapse, losing over $1 million a month. Debt was piling up, and rising fuel costs were squeezing them dry. One day, a critical jet fuel payment was due, and the company had only $5,000 left in its bank account, not nearly enough to keep the planes in the air. General Dynamics had refused to defer the payment. It looked like the end. In a moment of pure desperation, Fred Smith did something that has become a legend in the business world. He withdrew the company's last $5,000, flew to Las Vegas, and sat down at a blackjack table. It was a wild, all-or-nothing gamble. By Monday morning, he had turned that $5,000 into $27,000. Just enough to cover the fuel bill and keep the company alive for one more week. Now, this isn't a recommended business strategy, but it shows the incredible pressure he was under and the lengths he would go to keep his dream from dying. That weekend in Vegas bought him precious time. That gamble was the turning point. Shortly after, Fred was finally able to secure the major funding his company desperately needed. With fresh capital, Federal Express stabilized its operations. People started to realize the incredible value of overnight delivery. Businesses could suddenly operate faster, supply chains became more efficient, and the very pace of commerce began to accelerate. The purple and orange planes became a familiar sight in the night sky. The company's slogan, "When it absolutely, positively has to be there overnight," wasn't just marketing. It was a promise they delivered on, night after night. From that C-grade paper and a desperate bet in Vegas, FedEx grew into a global logistics giant. Today, it operates one of the world's largest cargo airlines and delivers millions of packages every single day, connecting virtually every corner of the globe. Fred Smith's story is a powerful reminder that a groundbreaking idea might not be recognized at first. It proves that with unwavering persistence, a clear vision, and maybe a little bit of luck, even an idea that a professor thought was average can fundamentally change the world. So next time you see a FedEx truck, remember the incredible journey behind it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this story, be sure to like and subscribe for more.